Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your web security with Cloudflare easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Cloudflare website. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and choose a password. Once registered, log in to your Cloudflare account. Click on the Add a Site button to start the verification process. Enter your website's URL in the designated field. Select your desired plan from the options presented. Cloudflare will scan your DNS records. After the scan completes, review the DNS records for accuracy. Ensure that all necessary records are present, including name, and MX records. Once verified, proceed to the next step by clicking Continue. You will be prompted with instructions to change your name servers. Take note of the provided name server details. Access your domain registrar's dashboard where your domain is registered. Locate the DNS or name server settings within your registrar's dashboard. Replace the existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes to your name server settings. Return to your Cloudflare account dashboard. The status will be displayed as pending until the name server changes are verified. This process can take some time, typically up to 24 hours. You can check the status on your Cloudflare dashboard periodically. Once verification is complete, you will receive a confirmation notification. Now, navigate to the firewall settings in the Cloudflare dashboard. Customize your security settings according to your needs. Explore options such as DDoS protection and web application firewall settings. Consider enabling SSL for enhanced security. Once all settings are configured to your satisfaction, you are now verified with Cloudflare. Regularly check your Cloudflare dashboard for insights and security updates. Cloudflare provides detailed analytics on website traffic and security threats. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.